Ki rā tātou, tamariki mā, ko Jordan wani atu tōku ingoa, ko au te tiaki koiora mō te Tūpuna Maunga, e mihi ana kia koutou. So today, what we're planting is broadleaf species, so your karaka, your titoki, your puriri, your kohe, and those are all trees that will help sort of nourish this biodiversity that we're trying to encourage.
The Tūpuna Maunga Authority is the co-governance entity that was set up under the Ngā Mana Whenua Tāmaki Makaurau Collective Redress Act in 2014. And we are charged with administering the Tūpuna Maunga Authority, but in particular around taking into regard the cultural significance, the ancestral significance and the historical significance of these Tūpuna Maunga to Ngā Mana Whenua Tāmaki Makaurau.
What better place to get out of the classroom and just come and bond with Mother Earth, and it's one of those inner learnings that you get as opposed to one that you learn from a paper on the blackboard. I reckon it's a fantastic opportunity.
The cultural landscape in Tāmaki Makaurau has been, really modified over time. Even our maunga here, if you look around, where there was once, large indigenous landscapes, and archaeology has been modified with the likes of sports fields. This is actually an old quarry site where we're planting today. Part of what we're trying to do is actually restore what was here back in the day of our tūpuna, to ensure that some of the native species that were here are able to thrive. Also, this is actually a really important site for some of our mokomoko, our lizards and skinks. So what we're trying to do is make sure that we're enhancing their habitat. We'll be looking at doing this type of restoration mahi on the maunga right across Tāmaki Makaurau. We look after 14 maunga. This planting season alone, we're planting roughly 40,000 plants. And I guess change the hearts and minds of people to see these sites as wahi tapu, to see these sites as maunga and not just parks.
Today we've come to plant some plants to help the environment and to help them grow. There's heaps of them. I'm a kaitiaki of the environment.
It's really important that our tamariki get their hands dirty with our tūpuna maunga, that they learn about it and that they actually grow, I guess, a sense of identity and love for their tūpuna maunga, and see it as a tūpuna maunga and not just as a playground or a park. Many of the schools around here have kids that whakapapa to these maunga and to Ngā Mana Whenua Tāmaki Makaurau. So we just want to help and build on that connection and build that aroha for our tūpuna maunga.
It's important because it's all about restoration, and it's also about our young learning about that restoration. Over the years, we haven't had this much attention, really. Why not start young? I never had the opportunity to do this. The hopes that I have for the children here is just the same as the plants that are going to be take to the land. Is just find your roots, really. And it's the same thing as they're planting, where they're from, but also participating in something huge, bigger than them. They don't realise it yet, but they will later on in their lives.